Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BVTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the late day afternoon action of a very nice move. I mean, from where it was to where it ultimately moved all the way up there. And of course, all this was happening on big volume. This does lead to the very logical, the very rational question of, is this the start of something bigger? Are the bulls kind of warming up the engines again? Is something bigger just getting started? I have no idea, but like I said, by using a chart, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and what I'm going to do is use this green line and move it right up there to 0021. And I think I have a pretty logical argument on how this level can help us, assuming we can agree on this logic, and that is that if this is the start of something bigger, well, then it's going to keep on getting bigger, right? The price is going to, in other words, make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if this is the start of something bigger, it's going to make progress. And if it's getting bigger, it can't go back to where it was. That's a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 0021. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back into this range where it already was. Again, going back into a range is not making progress. Whereas let's say this happens. The price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows down here, and so on and so forth. And if you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. So if this is the start of something bigger, it's going to keep on getting bigger. And I am defining and quantifying the statement getting bigger as staying up above 0021, because the price cannot go upwards every single day, but it does need to build those higher bases. And that's why that 0021 is indeed that higher base. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, not even going to focus on any of those, because in my opinion, top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just keep on building higher stair steps and go through those healthy consolidations, because as higher lows are built over time, the chart will take care of itself. So nice way to close out the week. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.